construction supervisor with Baltimore City arrested and charged with taking $5,000 in bribes to help a contractor avoid paying fines. Daryl Wade is a supervisor in the street cut unit of the city's Department of Transportation. Now, according to an FBI affidavit, Wade said he could get rid of fines that had been levied to contractors who don't finish construction work on public roads in a timely manner. A source with the FBI apparently tried to appeal $17,000 in fines. The affidavit says that Wade stopped that appeal hearing and in private solicited a bribe to just make the fines go away. Wade is the son of the former University of Maryland and Dunbar High School basketball coach Bob Wade.